Yo, yo, yo.
It's gonna be the game changer of life.
And have you find parts to replace your senior?
Behind him, the guy who got fired. the camera has the guy who got fired.
Yo, yo, yo! What is up, guys? Nick Nakai here, Let's Drift Media. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Please subscribe if you're new. So on today's episode, we're actually working on Joe's E92. He's supercharging his engine. So
Just fucking drinking, doing some bullshit, you know? You're gonna fucking get that shit. Find it for me, boy. Well, let's see, what are we gonna do now? We're gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna poke at things. Fuck.
he's the lube foreman.
I'm the lube foreman at the shop, aka shop bitch. And then hold on. Let me look through these gaskets and try to figure out. Let's just.
Oh, that ain't bad, food.
Hold on. Oh my god.
What?
Danny did not come on.
I did.
Danny, no, you didn't.
They're all new, so you can tell which ones are new.
Danny, it's not in here, bro.
It's in there.
All right, Joe, what'd you just do right here?
Pretty much. See how this is the factory loom, the factory injectors. We're running LS3 injectors, so they're bigger, more fuel. I had to customize it so it looks more like factory. These are the custom. These are connectors. These are the injectors. Try to make it look as OEM as possible.
Hello.
Heavy line, bitch.
You down to explain what you've done to this vehicle?
Bullshitted. I got a supercharger kit and the belt didn't fit.
I bet what is in the build right here? Like basically what made this build
I got RPs.
Look at Danny. Don't look at the camera.
I can't take it serious.
You're just looking at his toes or what?
This is gonna be my engine build. The block engine's fully built. We'll start from this block. The block has CP pistons, 92mm board sleeve block, and Carril rods. ARP head studs, head gasket, genuine BMW head gasket, factory shit, bitch. 5-angle valve job, ported heads, pretty much all the seals, everything's brand new, water pump, and now we have an ESS supercharger kit, the G2. It's exclusive. We're still trying to work out some nicks with it, but still some customizing to go. And I had to get some LS3 injectors and harness to my harness. I mean, connectors to my harness, but so far so good. Hopefully we go in tonight with the tranny. I have a clutch also. We turn the flywheel. I can't wait to get this running. I hope to get at least 700 to the wheels. I want to make this at least a 10-second car. If I can get a 10-second car out of it on 100 octane, I'll be happy. And then maybe boost it up to 115 with some slicks, and then go for 9s. You know, my name's not Danny, no, it's Joe. Bitch. Yeah. Fuck you.
All right, guys. So Danny's neighbor ended up having a going away sale in the dumpster. They threw away literally all their vape shit. Right in the dumpster. Want to go check it out and found a bunch of vapes, vape juice, everything. Like, come up.
Lucy?
All right, guys. So right now we're gonna push the car in and get this vehicle ready to load this beast in.
got here going on, Nick Mackay?
We're mounting the baby supercharger up to Joe's V8.
How's the clearance, you guys?
Right on the right on it, right on the cover.
It's actually touching, dude.
Is it?
Yeah, look at that.
By a lot?
Daddy,
It's touching. That's actually kind of sketch. Look at it, right there. The bolt hole.
I want to see too. I want to know
I mean, it's gonna be fixed to it, but still, I feel like that's like kind of stupid. Right? Like, Danny's putting supercharger oil in to make sure this thing's good to go. Test fitted already. Fits up pretty good.
Yo, yo, yo.
So while Danny's handling that, we're gonna get that mocked up in a second. We got Heavy Line Joe over here doing this custom wire harness for these LS fuel injectors.
There you go.
Looks factory though, guys. You guys wouldn't even know. Alright, so we're getting ready to drop in the motor right now. We got the hood propped up.
Oh, it's not even leaking from this banjo bolt. I'm just gonna replace it anyways, fuck it.
Alright, so big progress. The engine is in. That shit was a bitch. We had to take off the supercharger in order to maneuver it in there. And also take off the passenger side motor mount just so we can fit it in because it was hitting on the steering column. So that kind of sucked. See if I can show you guys in there. Yep. These cars are definitely tight when it comes to clearance.
Sound like you're beating down my neck.
Fucking drive shaft. Alright, so engine's in. We're gonna put the clutch on now and try and get this tranny in before we call it a night. It is currently...
What time is it? 1 o'clock?
2 in the morning.
It's 2 o'clock? Is it?
It's almost 2. It's 1:55. But before we put the trans in, we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice pressure wash. This thing's hella dirty. The Gatorade?
What was the? How do we plug in the?
What happened?
How do you plug in the hose for the pressure washer?
Yeah, so apparently we don't know how to plug in the pressure washer. We couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. It's because the hose was not attached to the pressure washer. Fuck! Alright, go Isaiah. Play the song. Play Joe Steve's song.
What is this?
Isaiah, play the song. Okay.
Alright, so we got the flywheel and clutch almost done. I don't know if we're gonna get the trans on tonight because it's already like late.
And Isaiah's still up gaming. Is a BMW tech doing what do you think he knows how he's doing? Here's a good parts to plate replacer. Can get some work.
Heavy line.
Heavy line parts replacer. And heavy line parts replacer senior.
Behind him, the guy who got fired. The camera has the guy who got fired.
Let's get in the faces of
There you go.
these dumbasses.
There you go. Got it, bitch. See? There it is. Boom.
Senior parts changer got it.
Now they actually know what they're doing.
Dad,
Yeah,
what are you doing?
watching these guys trying to work on cars.
Alright, so we are back at Danny's shop. Yesterday cut it at 3 a.m. We're all too tired to do anything. So day 2 right here. Got here a little late, but Joe and Danny got the transmission in and the drive shaft. Coming together, guys. Still trying to figure out the belt situation with the Supercharger. So not sure if we have the wrong belt or the wrong bracket, but Joe's gonna email ESS and figure it out.
You gotta put the, but you have to slowly push it in, correct? And then
That's it.
And this
slide
has
it
to
in.
go. Oh, okay.
But it's pressurized, so I didn't bleed, and I'm not bleeding it. It just like, you know, it's just it's an energy you can't fulfill. Just your brain explodes and you just bust in your mind. Heavy line shit.
So right now we're just bolting up the trans lines and the clutch plate cylinder, just a couple things on the bottom. We can't put the exhaust back on because Joe has it at his house. So we're gonna get as much stuff on the bottom as we can and then start plugging in everything up top, but almost ready to fire it up. But it won't be happening on this episode, sadly. So we got the top wire harness pretty much buttoned up. We're gonna slap the intake manifold on so it can start looking like a real car. Got the big am right here.
Pretending to help.
Bird's eye view.
Hey, the game's helping. I love it. Everybody's helping.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Emotional
Exactly.
support.
It's heavy though.
We should both do this.
Now you got it.
Alright.
Hold on, turn it on. Turn it on. Wait, turn it the other way.
This side's in. Damn, dude. There's a hood in it. It's alive. Holy shit. Now it looks like a real car. Any thoughts, words, Joe?
Teamwork makes the dream work. Thank you for the support. Alright, that's satisfaction at its best. You know when you're happy when you do this right here. Welcome to the car. How's my progress going, Joe? Let's find out. You know, walk up to the. Let's see. Damn. Let's see. Hold on. Fucking great. That's what I see. Car's ready, almost ready to go. Supercharger, a couple stuff we have to work out. Maybe a belt, customized. Okay, it's coming along great. Can't wait to get this shit started, baby.
That's it for this episode, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully we get this car running soon because I'm really excited to see how fast it is. I'll catch you guys later. Peace!